One of the first things that strikes you when you visit, one of the very first impressions is the openness. Whether you're coming in for a cup of coffee, you can sit here and have a chat. It's not intimidating at all, despite it being a home for politics. Was that always the plan?
I think it's very important that a building has to be comfortable, especially a building which is meant to be democratic, which is meant to be visited by young children and older people, and people who will just take the day off to come here, as well as govern. And of course, it's very important for those who govern in this building to also feel at home. So it's a good word. I like home.
There's been a bit of a checkered history to all of this. At times, things didn't look rosy. Is it going to be built? What's going to happen? How frustrating was all of that for you?
It was very frustrating. It started very well, and then for a number of different reasons, it got bogged down. There was a certain moment when the site was closed and when we thought it might never be built. But fortunately, as that's why we're here, it has been built, and now we're much more interested in the future.
If I was going to ask you what your most favourite thing here was, what would that be? What stands out for you?
It's the view. It's this wonderful view and this great window on the view. And you can see the bay, and the sun is out, and it was snowing about 2 minutes ago, and you know the change, and you can see the people, and you can see little children, and you can see people with prams, and you see more older people, and they're all enjoying the place, the space.
Lord Rogers, thank you very much for talking to us.